America is committed to deepening its partnership between the armed forces of the United States and the armed forces of BIH. Saw that today firsthand. Took some helicopters up to Manyacha and then over to Tuzla to watch these two forces train together, including 10,000-foot free falls with our special forces and their JTAC forces. It was pretty impressive. You know, it's a wonderful opportunity for our men and women in uniform because they get to train, sharpen their skills. It's a wonderful opportunity for the men and women in uniform in AFBIH because it deepens our cooperation, deepens our partnership. And that's good for American security, it's good for the security of Bosnia and Herzegovina, and it's good for the security of Europe. And I'm proud to have supported this, and I'm proud of what the two forces are doing together. One other thing I want to add. We got to fly over one of the most beautiful countries in the world, and the pilots kept telling me that. Oftentimes we were on the radio and they say, God, that valley's beautiful, oh, look at those hills, or look at that town. You have a beautiful country, Bosnia and Herzegovina. You should be proud of it.